Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to merge two cells on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel and then open any document. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to merge two cells on Microsoft Excel. Now for the first method, just select your two cells, then click on Home tab, and then on the alignment option you can see merge and center option. Then just click on this arrow icon, then click on merge and center. And it's done. You can see your two cells are merged successfully. Now for the second method, just select your cell again. Then you have to press and hold Alt key. Then press H key. Then you have to press M key for 2 times. And it's done. If I do it once again, just select it. Then press and hold Alt key. Then press H key. And then press M key for 2 times. And you can see it's merged successfully. And that is how you can merge two cells on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.